Okay, so today we're doing a bit of work on the Model A. So what we're doing today is finding if this thing is properly timed, because it's running just a little bit rough, and done a little work to it, like clean the spark plugs out, put a new filter on there, and check the rotary button, make sure the rotary button was okay. But now, just gonna check the timing here. Now, back in the day, this right here is an accessory that people put on to find out where their timing mark was. So if you can see right here, these are your timing marks. This right here, just to let everyone know, pin you can pull out, and you crank the motor over, and when the pin pushes in, then you know you're in top dead center. Because there's a fiber gear in here that has a hole, and when this pushes in, then it's in the hole of the fiber gear, which is a timing gear, and then you know you're in top dead center. So let's get this set up here. I'm waiting for the A1 certified mechanic to show up. He's late as usual, but once he's out here, we'll start going on the project. All right, finally we got the A1 certified mechanic out here. He's reading it with the timing light. If you all don't know what this thing does, there's a little divot right there that'll tell you if you're on top dead center or not. So this one, number 2, is not firing at all. So we'll show you how to fix that in a bit. Hang on.
I should put my glove on.
Yeah, it might help. I mean,
Thanks for the fair today, great plug.
about 1,000 degrees, but you know.
That one's too big. But I might have to write.
This one's too big?
Yep.
Oh, man. Of course, everybody knows what this project is. This is the IHC 1926 1.5 horse project I haven't gotten around to, but you know, one day at a time. One day at a time. Everything's still free. So, that's good. Look at that. Looks good.
Get this bitch running 4 cylinders again. Now this is pretty good, no compression.
Oh yeah, your pressing tester.
I do have one. Okay, point gap is, nope, not plug, spark plug. 32 to 35,000. That ain't no 32 to 35. That's okay.
See how bad it is.
She ain't fired.
Oh,
No, she
it ain't
fired.
doing nothing.
Nope, she ain't fired.
Just filling up with gas and oil.
What's the number on that? 076 3076.
Hey, that'll work. Just gotta figure out why it ain't firing.
Yeah, hopefully it's a spark plug. We know we got spark through the wire. They can leave.
You know, this ain't right, because you're supposed to have the brass tops.
Huh?
It's brass
Oh,
tops.
gifts.
Yeah, that matters. That could be your
That's
whole
not a-
firing thing
no.
too.
We're not judging.
Yeah, that matters. I got them on my Cushman. My 1919 Cushman.
Well,
And
this 1931 Ford don't need them.
if you're all ain't ever seen that, you should definitely look at that video. I'll put in the caption below.
That bitch is hot. Let me put it over here. Well, I guess I could do a resistance check on this thing.
If you all don't know, this is your spark plug wire. Yeah, that's a real wire right there. You touch that in the morning, you'll light yourself up, believe me. Your hangover will be cured after that one.
Got a gap this 30, what, 35?
35.
I don't know if I can get this out here to lighten.
Alright, as you see, that ain't no 35, that's more like a 10.
Maybe they're all bad. Look at that book again, just make sure.
All right. Right there, spark plug gap.
What if I should check them all?
Might help.
I did put plugs in this thing, though. But maybe this, I think I would have noticed that when I took them out the other one. You know what, here, we could look at the one that's bad. See what the gap is on that. Maybe I put the wrong gap size on it. Oh, 35, okay.
35, that's it.
Maybe just,
See, that was precision machining right there.
yep. Okay, what's that gap on that? It's about 30,
30?
32 maybe, 32.
So it's on low. So maybe it likes a little more.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we ain't got a dead freaking hole when we pull the freaking motor apart.
Yeah.
She'll really have a shit fit.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, because it'll be down for a while.
Thomas will be ticked. He'll come out and go, what the?
Radiators out of it and everything. That's another thing you should carry with you, a spare spark plug with these things.
Yeah.
Spare carburetor, spare spark plug, spare distributor.
At least hoses. I mean, they're not that
Hey,
big.
hey.
Big. You can fit those out there.
There's no pressure on these hoses, so
That's true.
they won't squirt out.
Oh,
Yeah, I know I gotta turn that on, but
yeah, but
first,
you should carry one of those
yeah, fuel filter.
fuel filters right around with you too.
I got a spare. I do have spares of them. Yeah, that's on. Let's get this thing fired back up.
Mm-hmm. It should fire up. Like nothing now. It's warm.
It should. I gotta turn the
Gas?
power the other side.
Here's that.
Power. Right there at the bottom. See it?
The little lever?
Yeah.
What way?
Whatever way.
There we go.
Okay.
We got the gas shut on. painless, easy fix, finally. Alright, now we're going to do some carburetor tuning here. that's it, everyone. So if you like this content, please give that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you don't get that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.